welcome to the KO Kitchen. Today we are talking okra, this much maligned and misunderstood vegetable. Well, actually it's a fruit because it grows on a plant and it has its own seeds. Okra are used in a variety of cuisines. They're used in the Middle Eastern cuisine, the Indian cuisine, Cajun cuisine, and the Greek cuisine. In Australia, they are farmed in the Northern Territory. Fun fact. One of the biggest complaints about okra is that they're a bit slimy, but I'm going to show you today how to prepare them so that they're not slimy and you don't have to pre-brine them or soak them in vinegar. Okay, when buying okra, I like my okra to be about 4 to 5 centimeters in length and not too ridgy. So these are the perfect okra for me. These ones, which I purposely bought to show you, are a little bit long for me and a little bit too ridgy, and they will be a bit coarse and woody to eat. So I like the smaller ones because they tend to be more tender and more delicious to have. In terms of preparing them, I'd like you to have a look at this. There's a little line that separates the stem from the actual fruit itself. And what I do is I just angle my paring knife and cut just underneath that line. And as I said, I'm cutting at an angle, just underneath that line, so that what I end up with is a little point, like that, okay? And I haven't exposed any of the internal flesh or seeds of the okra. I then wash the okra well. I don't have to dry them. I then wash them and then I use them. So let me get all my okra ready and I'll wash them and then we'll prepare them, okay? And there they are. Amazing. I just eat them like that. They are absolutely delicious. I can't really explain the flavor. It's the flavor of okra, which are called bum-yes in Greek. So when you combine the word bum and yes, bum-yes, that means okra in plural in Greek. Anyway, they are delicious. And as you can see, they're not slimy at all. They're seedy, but they're certainly not slimy. Just yum. And I can eat this entire pan all by myself. They are just that good. My son came downstairs and poached a few before we could film this segment. But anyway, try them. Try them, tell me what you think. I think you'll love them. Okay. Kali Orexi. Subscribe, save and share this video so we can make more quality content for you.